All right, Michelle. Guess what? You are all done with your Travelpreneur Dreams checklist.
Yeah.
Good job. Your proposals look amazing. Your groups look amazing. And you were such a very fast learner. We've seen some fast learners, but you are a very, very fast learner. How does it feel to be done?
It feels amazing. I'm excited to get started.
Listen, you have already been booking. Tell us about this. Where you guys going?
Italy first, and then gonna head to London after that.
I love this for you. You want to tell the people about your brand, Michelle?
Yeah, so my brand is gonna be Viva Ventures Travel and gonna be specializing in group travel and cruises as well.
I love this. All right. How did you get into the industry, Michelle? What brought you to the place you're like, I'm ready to be a travel agent? What happened?
I've always liked traveling and everything, and then I've been working on planning trips for a long time with family members and friends, and so I was ready to take the next step and start becoming.
I absolutely love this. And then my last and favorite question is, what was the hardest part about getting all the way done, and what was the easiest part?
The easiest part I think was just kind of like learning the suppliers was kind of easy, like learning their webpage and everything. I think the hardest was kind of learning the difference between like doing the smart proposals for individuals and then the groups and seeing the difference between those two on Travel Join. So yeah.
Yeah, but you got it. Listen, your proposals, they're beautiful. Your groups, they're beautiful. They look super professional. Like you went above and beyond. They look really, really good. And I'm very proud of you. I know you guys hear me say it a lot, but I'm very proud of you for going
Thank
as fast as you did, going all the way through and your booking. This is how exactly how it's supposed to go. So you're a good role model for that. And listen, if you ever need anything, I'm going to actually send you the 30-minute link. So if you need to get into an appointment really, really fast, you just book into one of those 30-minute links versus having to wait for an hour session. And then, of course, now you can go ahead and apply for your travel agent IDs. If you need help, pick up the phone, call me, text me, okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
You're so very welcome. And I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Bye.
Bye.